Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. Now, this reading is about angel messages for Donald Trump and Joe Biden. What are the messages to succeed? What they need to do and what they don't need to do? And finally, what is the outcome, what angels are indicating. I use unicorn angel cards, so let's move ahead. These are the cards for Joe Biden, these are the cards for Donald Trump. Now, this is the card, first card for Joe Biden. So looks like when I look at this card, looks like this lion, he is standing on a rock and he is very fierce. Here this unicorn, he don't have wings, so he cannot run or fly away. Situation is also bad because of these clouds. Cloud covers shows really terrible situation. So things are not in favor. So somewhere Joe Biden himself is not confident of clinching this. Somewhere just don't go by what media is saying. Media might be saying anything, that he has got that much of lead or whatever, but here cards are indicating else, something else. Joe Biden is not at all confident himself that he will clinch this. Now what he needs to do, he needs to raise his level very high. Look at this unicorn, he is flying high, very high. Mountains, those who know drawing analysis knows very well that mountains indicates challenges. So he needs to raise his level to a standard that all these challenges will look very small. So he, and unicorn is flying, he is in the air, so air indicates clarity of thoughts. So he needs to show the path, what he is going to do. He needs to be absolutely clear about what is the situation and how he is going to deal with it, so that things will be very easy for people of America. So he needs to raise his level very high. For Trump, what are the messages? Now these two cards. First card, compassionate. Here he needs to think about people. This card is about thankfulness. So and yes, one thing is there, greenery here, greenery here, water and greenery. This shows growth and prosperity and economy. In this card you can see a building here on a hill, so I consider this as White House. So somewhat difficult to climb this hill, somewhat, not that he is not far away from this, looks like, and he is sitting comfortably right now, this person. But yes, it's not easy also. He needs to climb this hill to reach here, and for that he needs to show some compassion. He needs to let go his anger. What has happened has happened. Now he needs to be very clear, absolutely clear about how he will lead America in his next 4 years in terms of economy, growth, prosperity. That's what will matter now in next 2-3 months. Then finally, what is the message? Who will win? So for Donald Trump, card of happy surprise. Now I had given a prediction on swing states on my YouTube channel Prakash Tarot Card Reader. There also magician card indicated the same thing, that although situation is very tough, cutthroat competition, but somehow he will manage it. Here also happy surprise card again. So, and here for Joe Biden, look at this card. This young unicorn is disappointed and feeling sad. So somewhere I can see advantage Trump. So I don't know what media is telling right now, but saw some news that media is giving advantage Biden, but cards are indicating totally against. Cards are indicating that Trump is not down and out, and he still has a very good chance. And in fact, Biden is low on confidence. He don't have that confidence to clinch this one. So that's it. Hope you like this reading. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Tarot King, and yes, keep giving me your ideas, suggestions, feedbacks. Thank you.